Hello beautiful souls, it's Heather. Welcome to Tap Into Your Magic. This is going to be a very relaxing rainy day yoga flow. So it could be a rainy day like it is, or maybe you're just feeling a little bit under the weather like I am right now, or maybe it's your time of the month, you're feeling burnt out, you just feel like you don't have the energy to do something super crazy, but you really want to get a nice stretch in. So I will see you on the mat and let's begin. We will begin this rainy day flow in child's pose. Bring your big toes together, legs as wide as feels comfortable, and just walk your hands to the top of the mat, forehead to the mat. Just allow yourself to get grounded here, knowing that today is a very gentle practice. We won't be doing anything strenuous, but this is a perfect slow flow that will help you feel stretched out and calm. So before we begin, just take notice of your breath, moving in and out through your nose. Can you deepen the breath, making sure the inhales are just as long as the exhales. And then slowly move up into tabletop pose. Hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. We'll do a few rounds of cat and cow. You'll inhale, drop the belly, lift the gaze. And exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. A few more times like this at your own pace. Back to tabletop pose. Just engage your core for a moment and then kick your right leg up to the sky, engage the glutes. And you can stay here, or if you can, bring your arm around your left hand to catch hold of your left leg, just for a bit of a deeper heart opener. And release, bring the hand down, the leg straight. And what you'll do is swivel your left leg to the back of the mat, and your right leg is now straight. Bring your right arm up to the sky and just open it up to the side, feeling a nice gentle stretch in the side body. And you have an option to stay here. Just lift the right leg up, bend it, and once again you can hold onto the ankle. Feel a nice gentle back bend. Just allow your neck and head to release. And slowly release back to tabletop pose. And we will do that all on the second side. Engage the core, kick the left leg up to the sky, glutes engaged. Once again, you can bring that arm round, catch a hold of that leg, feel a nice gentle back bend. And slowly release, but straighten the left leg, swivel the right leg around, and lift your left arm up and overhead for a nice side body stretch. You have the option to stay here or lift the left leg up and bend it once again and catch a hold of the ankle for a nice gentle back bend, relax the head. and slowly release back into tabletop pose. We'll just do one downward facing dog. So push into your hands, press back for downward facing dog. Keeping your shoulders away from your ears, begin to pedal the feet, bending one leg and then the other, allowing all that tension to release. And then bring your knees back down, come onto your belly for Sphinx pose, so nice and slow. Come onto your forearms. And all you need to do is push your shoulders back, heart shining forward. Feel a nice release in your back. And there's also an alternative, an option here to do some neck stretches from here. So you can drop your chin to your chest and just move your head in a few circles, whichever way feels good to you. And slowly release your hands down to the mat, and you'll flip over onto your back now, nice and gently. And we'll do a supine twist. Bring your right knee in towards the chest, left leg straight, and gently guide the leg over towards the left. Making sure to keeping both shoulder blades on the mat. You have the option to look up or over to the right hand side. You'll feel a deeper stretch. Coming back to your breath. Bring that knee back in towards you, and before we switch sides, you can just gently open up the right leg, so you're going to feel a nice stretch in your hips. You have an option to hold onto the knee, or you can try and catch a hold of your foot. This is like a half happy baby. And slowly release that. And let's switch sides. Your left knee comes in towards the chest. And you guide this over towards the right side. Again, option to look up or over towards the left. With every exhale, allowing the body to release even more. To center, and once more bring that left knee in, and you have the option to open it out. You'll feel that deep stretch, or you can catch a hold of the foot for a half happy baby. Especially if you've been like me in bed the last few days, this feels really, really nice to stretch out. Just do one last pose before Shavasana, which is reclined butterfly. So bring the soles of your feet together and allow the legs to open up wide. If this is too intense, just bring your feet further away. The closer your feet are in towards your body, the more intense this will feel. You have an option to keep your hands on your belly, or if you have been in bed like me, a good option is to extend both arms overhead, and this will be a nice, beautiful stretch for the shoulders. So you pick whichever option feels good to you. relax your jaw. And you release tension in your face. Or you're in your hips. Slowly bring your legs back in towards each other. Just bring those knees in towards your chest. You can rock on the spine side to side, giving your lower back a nice gentle massage. And then we'll move into Shavasana. So both legs straight back on the mat, palms facing up towards the sky, and close your eyes. All the tension in your body to release with every exhale. You have the option to stay here as long as you'd like. If you'd like to join me in coming out of Shavasana, you could do a great big stretch. And then slowly turn onto any side that feels good to you. Just push into your hand to come up to take a seat. Bring your hands together, the front of your heart space. Just checking in with how you're feeling. Being kind and gentle with yourself today. Knowing that if you're not feeling particularly amazing, just a little bit of yoga really helps to stretch out the body and aid you in your recovery. Of course, don't do anything crazy like go for a run, but I love doing yoga when I'm not feeling particularly great. And it does a world of wonder. Bring your hands to your third eye, bow forward, namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you are feeling a lot more stretched out, but also just feeling a bit more calm and I'm feeling a lot better after doing that. So thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and anytime it's a rainy day, you don't feel great, just come back to this video and guaranteed it will help you feel a little bit better. Bye for now.